What is good, bro? Hit back with another video, and today got big pickup truck out for a drive. Let's go ahead and give it cold. Oh my god, look at this thing though. It is nasty. It's just so cold and dirt. Yes sir. Let's go ahead and get, come on, open up. Bruh, the thing didn't even unlock. It's so cold. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get on the road. Hopefully you guys enjoy this little vlog. But yeah, let's go. So we're about to get on the highway, as you guys can see. Yep, here we go. Here we go on this cold weather. It's 28 outside, by the way. Yep. Truck is going really well. You gotta love that sound. That's my favorite thing. Favorite thing right there. Yep. Oh, come back here, truck. I see that truck over there. I'm gonna go for it. Let's see. Bro, these roads are actually not too bad. I think that truck is trying to run, actually. Is he going fast? Let's see. Let's see if this guy is going fast or not. Nah, that's a Super Duty or something like that. That ain't no quick car, I don't think. I don't think he's leaving, no. Well, he's lifted though. He's lifted pretty well. Y'all see that? That truck is pretty lifted. All right. Look at that. Oh, he's from Florida. See? He's from Florida right there. Wow. Brought your truck all the way from there. That's a long way. All right, well. We got a lot of content to do for y'all, bro. We haven't, or I haven't brought anything out for you guys, and I'm definitely going to now. Under the bridge? Yes sir, under the bridge. Under the bridge, had to do one pull. Had to do it. Couldn't open my window because it's way too cold. I mean, look, it's 28 outside. I am not opening a window at 28. Want me to freeze? Becoming a snowman in here or something. I don't know. Just gonna go like crazy. Y'all ever wonder why people like drive, can you drive a semi quicker than this or no? I wouldn't know. I don't think so, because like, can you imagine how much power? Like, how much horsepower does a semi truck have? Let me know, because I don't know. I know they have some power. They're like a V8, I'm pretty sure, like a big V8. But you never know how much power they have because they never really tell you. This guy, bro, why are you in this lane? Excuse me. Yeah, I'm about to make you move. You're gonna have to go. Thank you. Bye. All right. This guy is trying to pass. You ain't passing nobody, my boy. You ain't passing nobody. Like, why do you stay in the left lane? It makes no sense. It makes no sense. We got a Ram here. You know, Dodge Rams are nice, but like, they're slow. Unless it's a TRX, that's the only one. The V8s, it's only the 5.7. That thing does not have a Scat Pack motor. I think there are ones that have a 6.4 though too. I've never seen one. Like, I've never been able to see one. And it's just like, I don't know. Anyway, we're getting off the highway. Getting off the highway in the truck. We're gonna go stop somewhere, go take a look at the truck. You'll see how dirty it is right now. It looks terrible. I should wash it, but this weather is the problem. I just know it's gonna freeze. I don't want to be washing my you know, car or truck, and then I do all that, and then it's completely dirty again. Like, no, I'm not doing that. I ain't going for that. But we're gonna go ahead and find a spot. Explore 4-wheel drive. Yep, 4-wheel drive. Come on, let's go. Let's go. It's green. I got the Ram behind me, actually. That's pretty nice. I have the same Ram from the highway. I'm stuck behind all these people right now. Oh, wow, these roads, look at these roads. They're kind of good. I mean, they're a little bit icy, but they're not like snow. We didn't get much snow where I'm from, my area. The north areas, oh yeah, they got snow. You go like Kansas City or something like that, you're going to have snow. You're going to have snow. That's for sure. But I'm stuck behind all these people right now. Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go. We need to go. We need to go, my guy. We need to. I'm not about to wait for you. If you're not going to go to the right, I'm going to the right. Okay, buddy. I got to do it. Gonna hold up the left lane like that? What's the point? Thank you for coming in that lane, though. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I'm in this lane. And you too, you stay over there. And you stay over there. Look how many people are like coming. There's another person. You ain't coming here. This is my spot. Oh, look at all that ice. Look at all that snow. Is that snow or ice? I don't know. Something. I'm sure I don't know. We're going around the terms. Going around the terms. Oof. Gotta love that sound, that V8. Gotta love it. Popping too. I mean, you guys can hear it a little bit pop. It ain't popping like nothing too crazy, but it pops. It pops. I can tell you that. Oh yeah, and also, by the way, I messed up my shaving, so my face is all shaved again. I can never get the trimming the mustache part down, and I'm mad. I'm mad, but what can you do? Well, trimming everything, like the beard even, I can't do. Oh, look at that. That place is broken, but it's for sale. Somebody want it, go buy it. I don't know what you're going to do with it, but oh, there's a charger right there, old charger. That wrap job is horrendous, though. Are these people going to go or nobody going to go? I don't know. I'm stuck behind this guy, and that guy's not passing, so at this point, it's like you either pick one side or you just go. Oh, that person passed over now. A van came in. Oh my God, that van pulled in front crazy. This is why I don't like people, bro. Why are we... Get out of my way. If you all go that way, I'm going straight. Ah, no, I missed the red. Nah, I wouldn't run the red light, don't worry. I missed it though. I missed it. Those people all going that way. Anyway, we got a little opportunity to launch this thing. Possibly. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it's a goose. Oh my God, they get the green light first? Are you serious? Anyway, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Light, please. Change. I don't know who these people are. No. Ooh. Sounds so good. Sounds like, ooh, just power. Figure out a spot where I want to take, maybe the thumbnail, I don't know. I got to figure out a good spot though. And the thing is, my truck is dirty like crazy right now, but we're just going to take a picture anyway. My truck is so dirty. It's so dirty right now, but that's just because of this weather. I mean, the snow, the ice, everything adds to it. Oh, there's a charger over there. Somebody's getting towed. No, somebody getting towed. Not me though. I pay my stuff. There ain't no repo man near me. Can you imagine not being able to, when you buy a car and you can't pay for it, and then the repo man comes, he's like, hey, I'm coming for your car. And you're like, oh my God, I gotta give my car up. I had a Hellcat, I had a Challenger, Scat Pack, something, and now this repo guy is gonna just gladly take my car from me. I'd be mad too. What can you do? Hey, buddy, stay over there. You wanted to be here? Now you are. I'm going this way. There's ice here, yes. A little bit of ice. A little bit of ice, not much. Not too much, though. God, look at that view. Look at that view. Look at this beauty view. Oh my God, you heard the pop? It's popping. I'm gonna figure out a place to take a picture though. I need some thumbnails. Actually, I know where to go now. I have a good idea. I'm gonna go forward. I got a good spot. Oh man, look at that truck. AT4 diesel truck. Going. Diesels. You know, one thing, I wanted a diesel because I love the sound of diesels, right? But they're just not fast. I mean, have you guys ever seen a diesel that's super fast? I haven't. Not yet. Not yet. I mean, maybe modded, but I don't know how much power you can get out of a diesel. I've seen a diesel Shelby truck. I was like, I don't know if it's even that fast. It probably ain't. Because I don't think they got the Whipple on them. I don't know. Can you put a Whipple on a diesel? I don't even know how that works. But, come on, light. Come on, light. Oh, it's still for them? Yeah. Look at that building. That's crazy. It looks like a castle. Not a castle, but it's just like some old building back in the day or something like that. I don't even know. Those lights just turn for once in its life. Don't give that guy the... Bro, don't give him the right of way. Oh, there's a left turn only. Okay. Well, go ahead, I guess. Jeez, how long do these lights take? There's barely anybody on the road. Why do we have to wait? Come on. Go. Change. Bro, why? Let us go. Light. Come on. Finally. Yes, sir. This thing just sounds like a monster. I love the Borla attack on this thing. Like, I know a lot of you guys have been wondering when I put on it. Borla all day. Corsa, I love the idles, but I don't like the high-pitched sound that it makes. I like this deep rumble kind of tone. But let's go ahead and go right, because I think there's a good spot up here. It's up on a hill, so maybe I get some good pictures of the truck on a hill, but I don't know. I don't even know what's up here, to be honest. I've never been up here, but I know it's uphill. So I was like, yeah, well, maybe I can get something out of it. No. Authorized personnel. No, can't go there. Can I just go on the side here? I don't think anybody's coming, right? I don't think so, actually. I'm just gonna do it here. All right, I'm gonna take some pictures out here and I'm gonna catch you guys in a moment. So we're back. Got those pictures I needed. And now I think, I don't know if I got U-turn. I don't know. Can I? I'm not sure. Maybe there's a way. Let me see. There might be a way. If I go, oh, there's more places here? I didn't even know that. See, I don't even know any of this area. Actually, let me see. I might be able to do it here. See if I can just back it up, maybe. I don't think anybody's coming much from any of these directions. Nah, nobody's coming. I think this area is like dead now. I'm not sure. It could be a cut through, but I don't know. I don't see anybody. Let's go. Come on, get up the hill. Whew. You gotta love that sound. You gotta love that deep rumble tone of this thing. Just going. All right, so we're gonna go. Which way do we go? We go. I think I'm gonna go right once these people go out. Excuse me, I have the right. Okay, whatever. No, not you. I'm going. Your junky Ford. Broken down truck. Oh, look, a Beamer. It's an old one. I don't. Is that even anything fast? I don't know. I couldn't even tell. It could have been deep. I don't think so. I don't think it's anything fast. It didn't look like a sport one. Had a good light though. I like the old BMW lights. Like, that's my favorite thing. But y'all, you know, they ain't get those anymore. Ah, for sale. Another place. Want this land? Yeah, go buy it. I don't know. Somebody will want it. I don't want it. Let's turn this way. Turn this way, little man. Little man, let's turn this way. All right, let's go this way now. Yes, let's keep going. This guy's just gonna go all the way in front. Slow, under the speed limit. It's 35, sir. Your big dually ain't helping my life right now. You guys just gotta get out the way. And you just pulled in front like nothing. You're from Iowa as well. Like, come on, bro. Don't you guys go fast there? I don't know. I've never been to Iowa in my life. Never been to Iowa in my life. But, I don't know. I don't know, honestly. Would I ever go to Iowa? Probably not. I don't even know what's out there. What is out in Iowa? Let me know. I don't know anything about Iowa. I've never heard of them. I just know it's a state. And they, what sports team is in Iowa? I don't even know. Is there even one? What is that? Like I said, never heard of Iowa much at all. I don't even think it's a very major area. It might be just a small place. But anyway, yeah, this guy's from Iowa, so I mean, maybe he's from like some little country town or something. I don't know. But you don't know how stop signs work, sir. You don't know. With your Super Duty. Anyway, let's go. Ooh, look, the Titanic. The Titanic Museum. Was it really that big? Well, that's just... it's crazy that that boat fell down. But hey, iceberg was able to take it out. Anyway, he's leaving this. We're going straight left. And yeah, there's the other truck right there. Yep. Go. Go, come on. Turn. Wow, this area is so dead. It's usually like sold out and crazy. It's because the winter, nothing goes on anymore. So you guys can see it's just nothing. No people, nothing like that. It's definitely an interesting look at everything when you come back to it. When everything's closed. See, they have a whole pub, like, oh, everything, but nothing's open at this point. Only cops just sitting around waiting for people that might speed. Anyway. No, another F-150. Blue one. It's very nice blue. Pretty nice blue. Oh, well. I think that will do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, you know. Brought out some like content for you guys. I promise it'll get more better, but you know what can I do right now? It's just the truck. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you know, like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.